Hey everyone, welcome to episode 332 of the Building in Public series. Today is our Wednesday update, and yeah, we've got a bit of a small update for you guys today. We haven't really been up too much today. We've basically been working with Lovable today, and we've been working with ChatGPT to basically combine them together and essentially make this thing here. So what this tool takes WordPress or WooCommerce product attributes and it basically speeds up the process to import them all together. So instead of dealing with WooCommerce attributes one by one and it taking upwards of like a minute or two to add an attribute, what this does is it takes your particular attribute. So in this scenario, we're working with Venetian blinds, and it adds them. It adds everything in automatically and much quicker, which is good for us, and it saves time. And yeah, pretty much that's what we've been up to today. Nothing crazy, nothing mental. I'm actually going to do a test run with you guys now. Let's see if this works. So basically what we have here is a code base. So we have a GitHub repository where everything sits. So if I go in here and I look at the, where is it, Venetian product import. Now has that imported everything correctly? Let me double check. Does that give me a time? Did it work for 6 minutes? Yeah, okay. Update that, 528. Yeah, okay, yeah, that should be about right. Okay, so let's have a look. So if I just grab the code, which is here, grab that and that. So basically we take this code here, we go into our edit mode, code snippets, and then we go into the Venetian importer. And then essentially what we do, it's really simple, is we just paste the code that we've made in here, or the AI has made for us. We update it. And then what happens then is, first things first, I need to go to products, attributes, and then I need to make sure, yeah, okay, so we don't have another attribute in here, as you can see. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a test run of this importer, and I'll show you how it works. So basically what you do is you do a import, and then what will happen is you follow the process. So the process from start to finish is basically a three-step importation process. So you create the attribute, which is in this case Venetian color. Once you create the attribute, you then create the color terms. So when you click create color terms, that's going to create the predefined color terms that I've already made. So you can see in here, it's actually made 96 instead of 94 that it says there. I'll have to change that. And then basically what you do is you click import the images. And then what this does is this should import products or import the images in there. But this is what I'm noticing myself, is when I go to the attributes, you'll see here that the attributes have been added, everything looks good, but then when you go to the configuration side, there seems to be an issue with some of these, like for example, chocolate doesn't exist, clay doesn't exist, cloud gray doesn't exist, coconut doesn't exist, and so on and so on. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting issue, but that's what I'm trying to troubleshoot at the moment. That's what I'm trying to fix. But honestly, other than that, guys, not much else has been going on today, and it's it's getting quite late now, so I think I might get this episode out, wrap it up, and then crack on with stuff tomorrow. But yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. And yeah, guys, anyway, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.